As you know, I'm going to unpack that with my 7 point framework, but I have a quick question for you, family. Do you want to see where structure, process, and meticulous planning shape the landscape of software development? If that's you, you're going to want to stay here to check out the rest of the video. So anyway, let me run through these 7 points. As you know, once I get these 7 points, we out of there. But I may have something up my sleeve. Let's see what happens. First of all, we need to unpack what is SDLC. First of all, the acronym for SDLC is Software Development Life Cycle. Again, Software Development Life Cycle is the acronym, which is SDLC. And all this is, family, if we're going to just sum it up, because what my goal here is, even though I'm wanting to be a disruptor in project management, I think one of the best ways to be a disruptor is always making something that you can explain on a level that anyone should be able to understand, even if they have no connotation about what you're doing.